Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 18th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So today is Good Friday, which is a bank holiday for pretty much everybody except for America. And the fact that it's not a bank holiday in America means that in the New York session, we could possibly see a little bit of volume in the market. I'm not really expecting it, to be honest with you, because of how slow this week has been. But anyways, looking at the charts, this is my most recent structure on the 1 hour time frame. So for me, if it breaks this low right here with momentum and holds below that low, that's what's going to turn me into a seller after the break of structure and after the pullback that would come after the break of structure. I think this whole move up is either a wave A or a wave one. I think that eventually we should make a bigger crescent for like a wave B or wave two, which would be a crescent to this whole move up, potentially someplace between 38 and 78% of the whole move up. But this all relies on seeing a break of structure. It doesn't necessarily have to break now. It possibly could make another higher low, and it could possibly keep on going up. With the next big area of resistance for me is actually the 61% Fibonacci retracement, which it possibly could make a run for right around the 0.60382 area. So if it does decide to break structure to the downside, then I definitely would turn into a seller. If not, I would just keep on looking for higher lows and keep on going long, trading with the trend. So definitely enjoy your Easter Sunday, enjoy your Good Friday, and enjoy time with friends and family this weekend. As always, thank you for watching and happy trading.